Hey there and welcome to the channel. Dustin here from the Gravity team. If you've never used Gravity Forms, our free demo is a great place to start. A link to the demo can be found in the video description. Let's take a look at some quick pointers to get you up and running with everything. If you're looking for inspiration on what to build first, you can view some of our sample forms. When you're ready to build your first form, open the WordPress dashboard and select New Form. From here, you can create a form from scratch or edit one of our many pre-existing form templates. The drag and drop form editor makes it easy to add fields to your forms. And if you select a field, you can open the field settings to fine-tune everything, such as setting the field as required or enabling conditional logic. Within the form settings, you can edit the confirmation and notification messages, as well as customize the settings for any installed integrations. And speaking of integrations, if you want to connect with other services, simply head over to the integrations page. We also have handy resources like our extensive documentation and YouTube playlists that offer detailed guides on any topic you may need help with. If you have any questions or need any help, please feel free to reach out in the comments below. Thanks for taking the time to try out Gravity Forms. Good luck and happy building.